actually pin it down. This might actually slow him down now. What glorious British weather we're having. Oh, I've got a nice dry. I'm glad I put my wet weather gear out, guys. As you can see, it is raining cats and dogs. I think half of you were going to go in and get soaked. There, it looks like so. That's been quite a good spot actually, quite shaded from sheltered from rain. A bit later on today we're going to some thunderstorms this afternoon for about 2 hours. So they say in the weather forecast. See that when it happens. Maybe this rain will slow him down. Yeah. So about you hear me coughing, I've just been getting over the old cold which has been going around. Really bunged up, brain lines with gunk. But I still persevere with it. When the safe zone we saw the black cow coming over, thinking, wet gear on, before I go out. Because when it's raining like this, I don't wear my tack vest. This chance, this stuff for me dry out. I mean, when I get home, obviously, gun's got to dry out, helmet's got to dry out. Because when I've done it, I won't put the guns back in the case. Just leave them out, get home, get them indoors and dry them out. Wipe them over and let it dry out naturally. No, I'm putting the gun in the case when it's dropping wet because you take the case out. That's my recommendation. If you're playing the rain, you've got a gun case, don't put your guns back in the case. You get all the moisture from your gun into the case and it's going to make it worse. So leave your guns out of the case, take them indoors, let it dry, get a towel, wipe it down or let it dry out naturally. I tend to just leave it dry out naturally, and that way, that's how I do it. Once you've got this on top of the towel, put the towel, wrap it up with the towel, at least that way it drains, towel takes it, and that's how I do it. Everyone else does it differently. But today I'm not wearing mesh, I'm wearing goggles, yellow goggles. So it's, the thing you'll probably do is to lay out my kit I'd normally wear, load up kit, so you can see what I wear during the day when it's dry weather, and obviously wet weather gear. When it's wet weather, I just use a waterproof, you can see, camo and a tack belt, no tack vest. Or is it wet weather? It's going to affect the trajectory of the BBs and make the BBs won't get its faster range. So this game it's all full semi-only, not full auto, which is going to help save on ammo. Drew on blues armbands with this, so you can see, with a dark green camo, woodland camo. Might be helping me hide out a bit better in this woodland. Yeah, I might actually get woodland DPMs, woodland camo. A lot of these players are going to be absolutely sopping wet, apart from the rentals have got ovals. I got good coverage straight down.
Where is it?
I got good coverage straight down.
All right. No, we're trying to get out.
Oh, that's there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Make sure your mag's out, everything.
Yeah.